In my series, Journey to Nicaea, we discussed the second century of the Christian era, and we said that there was no agreement on what constituted the scriptures, what we now know as the New Testament. And what this meant, among other things, is that there was also a lack of agreement on some very basic questions about the Christian faith. One of those questions was, is God one or is God many? Is there one God or are there many gods? And connected to that question was another question, is God the creator? And believe it or not, there were those who said that there is not just one God and that God is not the creator. And they called themselves Christians. Another question that came up was, is the Son who became Jesus, is the Son God? Is the Son a human being? Or is the Son both? And there were some who said that Jesus was only a human, some who said that Jesus was only God and not a human, and still others who said that Jesus was both God and human. And then there was the question of the Holy Spirit. Is the Holy Spirit God? Once again, there were some who said the Holy Spirit is God. There were others who said, no, the Holy Spirit is not God. And finally, there was a multiplicity of answers to the question, what does it mean to be saved? We believe now, of course, that Jesus came to earth to save us from sin by dying on the cross and by rising. But not all Christians believed that. There were other beliefs about what it means to be saved. And so next week, I'll be looking at each one of those questions in detail and looking forward to how those questions were resolved at the councils of Nicaea and Constantinople, and how our Christian belief system came to be unified in the Nicene Creed.